A minimum of 14 civilians have been killed and dozens of others wounded when a rocket assault hit the city of Al-Bab in northern Syria, an opposition battle monitor and a paramedic group reported. The opposition's Syrian Civil Defense, often known as White Helmets, stated 5 kids had been amongst these killed on Friday and that the variety of these wounded was 30. The assault within the city, which is held by Turkey-backed opposition fighters within the northeastern countryside of Aleppo, got here days after an air assault killed Syrian troops and United States-backed Kurdish fighters in Aleppo. The Syrian authorities blame Turkey for the assault. The Syrian Observatory for Human Rights stated that Syrian authorities' forces had carried out Friday's assault and stated it was in retaliation for the Turkish raid. The observatory stated the assault killed no less than 14 and wounded 38. The battle in Syria, which started in March 2011, has killed a whole bunch of 1,000s and displaced half the nation's pre-war inhabitants of 23 million.